Hi friends, welcome to Meet Me at the 313 Grill and Kitchen for episode 3. We're doing the simple dish tonight is hot dogs. And so what we're doing here tonight is we're starting off with red hot dogs. That's right, here in the South we do prefer red hot dogs, but for those of you who do not eat hot dogs, I got some other hot dogs here on the side. Get whatever brand you like, Nathan's, Ballpark, whatever brand that sounds good to you, well good. And we also got varied commodities here that go with your hot dogs. You got your chili that's cooking right now. Ooh, that looks so good. You even got some coleslaw for those that love chili and coleslaw like I do. And you got some buns and some chips. So it is a hot day here in North Carolina. Preferably, I do not like to use the stove, but when your grill is having some technical problems, we get out our backup frying pan that we can use for the grill that simulates that grill flavor. And we're just kind of cooking the hot dogs just like that back and forth. And you want your hot dogs, there's people that I know within my family that do prefer the burnt flavor hot dogs, but we're going to try to keep them to a minimal. So this is where we are right now with the hot dogs. In just a few minutes when I pull off these red ones, we're going to pull on the brown ones and show you how to cook those. So stay tuned, there's more to come. Alright folks, so I just removed the red hot dogs, so now we're going to give our brown hot dogs, for those of you who prefer this like I do, you want to have that grill flavor to it. So, hot dogs are a very quick, simple meal to cook. They take, roughly no more than 5 minutes. You don't want to burn them, you don't want to overcook them, but again, if you know people like I do that like burnt flavored hot dogs, that's your choice. And so the hot dog, as we got going on in the kitchen right now at the 313 Grill and Kitchen. We'll check back soon for another update. Stay tuned. All right, folks, and that's a wrap. And like I said, hot dogs don't take very long to cook. They take 5 to 10 minutes, as I mentioned. So here is the end result of the perfect hot dog. Now you see, I like having slaw and chili on mine. You may have your own preference. But let's find out how this bad boy does. Let's take a peek and we're going to find out. Now that's what you call a good hot dog. Until next time, my name is Patrick, and if you have any questions or want to shoot me your craziest hot dog ideas, please let me know, because one day I like to try something different with hot dogs. So if you got a different recipe, shoot me what you got, and we're going to explore with it. But until next time, I'm Patrick, and this has been another episode at Meet Me at the 313 Grill and Kitchen. Good night, everybody.